What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partial profit on a trade. I got a special request from my man Crypto Face. I guess the community's kind of been asking. There's more than one way to do it, but it's pretty easy once you know how to do it. It's just a little bit confusing at first. So let's just go ahead and open up a short here on Dogecoin real quick. Let's hope it's a winning trade, just a small amount. Okay, so now I've entered the trade and it shows up here in the positions, right? Now, I'm not green right now, but you know what? You can take partial profit or partial loss. So one thing is I'm right clicking on this, right? And when you go close position, it opens up this window, which gives you the option to close a certain amount of lots. The other way to do it is over here under close position. Anytime on any position, it will automatically pop up the X. That's also how you get to close position right here. And it shows you that amount right there. So let's say I want to close half of my position. I just changed that to 50 out of the 100 lots. Now, lots are basically how many units or how many coins or how many of whatever it is that you're buying, right? So if I close 50%, so look, I'm up right now. P&L's 2 cents or 1 cent. If I close half my position right now, you see right here on my trade history that I had opened at 100 on my short. That's why it says sell. And I closed 50 right there on the buy. So that still leaves me 50 lots open, and I could close them all by going here and just close position. That's always the default, is the full amount, or I could just close another 25 of them. It's like, oops, I'm down right now. I want to cut some of my losses. Just hit close position. And you can see right here, the triangles pop up. This is the 1 minute candle. And basically, I just closed part of it. You can also see it here on the trade history. I'm right clicking right now to make this pop up, or I'm clicking on the X to make this pop up. It's a little bit different than if you were to, you can't just say buy, right? You can't just say the opposite, because Breakoutprop has a hedge mode on, so you can trade in both directions at the same time. If we did do that, we could do that, but it wouldn't close this position. It would just open a position in the other direction. So you really want to close, you actually have to click on the close button, and then you get to select how many lots you want to close that you have open. Right here shows you how many that I do already have, but that's why I want to close just another 10 of them. It'd be 10 out of the 25, right? So that's basically it. Pretty straightforward. You know, if you have any more questions about Breakoutprop, you can leave them in the comments below. I also have a playlist that I'll put right up here in the upper corner that will show you a bunch of different tips and tricks on how to navigate the platform for Breakoutprop itself. I've been using it for a long time now, about 6 months. And if you guys are interested in getting started using it, please use my referral link that's in the description. It's also right here on the screen. And follow your boy Cassius Cuvée on YouTube, Twitter, and everywhere else. And I'm going to keep giving you the game in real time. Peace.